Hola y bienvenidos a Module 10. So this module, we're going to be continuing with the topic from Module 9, which is the AR verbs and the yes-no questions. So if you didn't do well in Module 9, make sure you go over those things again. Again, the verb endings and the yes-no questions. Under the readings, we also have some cultural articles because we do have a discussion board this week. So make sure you read those to be able to get your initial post in by Wednesday. We also have some information here that says upcoming assignment, final project. So I don't want you to actually start working on the final project because we still have two more big topics that we need to cover before we actually get to the final project. But I'm just putting this here now because the final project is a video that you need to film with another person. So I don't want you to get to like week 14 and be like, oh, I have nobody to film with. So start reaching out to people now. It can be a classmate, it can be a friend, whatever, but make sure you start thinking about someone who could film a video in Spanish with you. So again, it can be a classmate or it could be someone else, but make sure you read the instructions, watch the video so you see what the project is going to entail, and then start reaching out to people over the next couple of weeks so that by the time we get to weeks 14, 15, when you're actually doing the project, you're all set with someone to film with. Okay, so we have the homework packet like always. We do have a discussion board about the folk remedies. I think you'll like this topic. Some of you mentioned it in your field-specific project. So make sure you get your initial post in by Wednesday and make sure you refer to the articles that are posted. And then we have the speaking assignment. Make sure you use the USTED formal form to ask those questions. And then the quiz like always. Have a great week y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.